Introducing Joint Genesis. Registered ClickBank affiliates promoting Joint Genesis will be credited 75% commission on front-end sales they generate, and 65% commission on upsells. Get started. Joint Genesis is a brand new, doctor-formulated joint health supplement born out of Ivy League research, and backed by real-world results. Joint Genesis's proprietary formula is the first in the world to combine 4 clinically proven joint-supporting nutrients with mobily registered. An advanced and patented ingredient shown to multiply crucial hyaluronan molecules in the synovial fluid by a factor of 10. This unique and cutting-edge ingredient blend supports joint health in a newly discovered way, by rehydrating and thickening up the naturally jello-like synovial fluid in our joints. Ivy League research and dozens of clinical studies have now proven, when you rehydrate and thicken up your synovial fluid, you promote. Joint Genesis is generating massive payouts for our affiliates with $3.24 EPC and an AOV of $258. Default commissions of 75% on front-end sales and 65% on upsells will be paid on every sale to registered ClickBank affiliates promoting Joint Genesis. Dr. Mark Weiss MD is the co-creator of Joint Genesis and an award-winning physician, medical consultant, and author. Dr. Weiss brings premium credibility with his distinguished medical history, having served his country as a civilian physician for the U.S. Army at the Wounded Warrior Clinic at Fort Knox, Kentucky, as a general medical officer at Fort Riley, Kansas, and as the lead primary care physician for the U.S. Army's Respect Mill PTSD and Depression Screening Program at Walter Reed Army Medical Center. Further to that, Dr. Weiss has decades of experience in private practice, including time spent serving communities in the rural South. Combine that with his personable, folksy attitude, and he's the perfect spokesperson to connect with joint health customers who are desperate to hear from a doctor who takes them seriously. The joint health market is huge, and it's getting bigger every day. According to the latest research from the CDC, in the United States alone 1 in 4 adults, or 60 million people, now experience age-related joint discomfort. And that's not including the many millions who are suffering in silence, and therefore not included in those statistics. That's a huge proportion of American adults who are in desperate need of a solution that not only works, but is affordable. Added to that, Joint Genesis's natural ingredients appeal to customers looking for alternative health solutions, while Dr. Weiss's traditional medical background spreads that appeal to everyone in need of joint support. That's why the conversion rates, EPC, and AOV on Joint Genesis are sky high, and why you need to promote this offer early. Our VSL benefits from the ideal combination of high production values, a hugely credible doctor spokesman to connect with the target market, a gripping, emotionally driven story, and compelling science to support the product. Together, these factors help to ensure the kind of conversion rates, EPC, and AOV numbers you don't want to miss out on. As well as Joint Genesis, our upsell funnel includes 2 more brand new and clinically backed joint health formulas. Uflex Gold trademark and our CBD-based joint and muscle balm, both doctor formulated to accelerate and strengthen the results of Joint Genesis. These upsells are helping to ramp up AOV, and we're continually optimizing the funnel to ensure those numbers keep going up. Joint Genesis works, and has been producing phenomenal results for our customers. That's more important than anything else, because a product that delivers real results produces very low refund rates. And that's exactly what we're seeing, meaning you'll keep the commissions you earn. Joint Genesis is brought to you by a ClickBank Diamond Award-winning team with a combined 35 years of experience launching winning offers on the platform. Specifically, our offers in the joint health market alone have sold to upwards of 500,000 customers. In short, we know exactly what it takes to create high-converting offers that stick around for the long term. And we support those offers with first-rate customer service, both phone and email, and high-end fulfillment processes that ensures orders are sent out fast. All this means healthy, reliable, and sustained commissions for our affiliates. Get your hoplink and affiliate resources here. Please enter your email address and agree to our terms and conditions below to create your hoplink and access our affiliate resources page. Affiliate guidelines. Affiliate must provide a valid email address and agree to receive email notifications from Biodynamics. Must abide all applicable laws including but not limited to CAN-SPAM compliance laws for email. Must abide SMS compliance, must have prior approval for SMS promotions. Must abide the terms of the respective platforms being used to promote, Facebook, WordPress, Google etc. May not represent Biodynamics, its representatives, or products in a negative light. May not make false claims. Must only use approved marketing materials. May not copy Biodynamics' marketing resources or share them. May not represent yourself as Dr. Mark Weiss or Biodynamics. May not resell products on Amazon or eBay. Chargebacks and refunds must remain at an acceptable rate, subject to company's discretion. Trademark and brand bidding is prohibited even in the context of a review. Terms include but are not limited to Biodynamics, Dr. Mark Weiss, and product names. Facebook promotions require prior approval. Marketing to minors is expressly prohibited. Must use exclusion/suppression and opt-out links provided by Biodynamics. Affiliate may not use or distribute our marketing resources, email creatives, banners, web pages etc., to sell other products. Payments. Commissions will be paid by ClickBank either on a cost per acquisition or revenue share basis for verified conversions. Chargebacks and refunds will be monitored and can be used as a basis for withholding commissions. Payment terms are subject to change without prior notice. Commissions may be withheld if these terms are violated. We reserve the right to withhold commissions in the case of fraud or damages. Biodynamics affiliate campaign terms. Permitted. Yes/no. Permitted. Yes/no. Email marketing. Yes. Affiliate websites. Yes. Telemarketing. No. Social media marketing. Yes. SMS or other form of text message marketing. No. Affiliate creative, with approval. Yes. Co-registration. No. EU resident actions. Yes. Affiliates are not allowed to link directly to an order form or checkout page without expressed written permission from Biodynamics. Affiliates must use the above methods in accordance with the terms outlined below. Affiliate campaign terms. Affiliate acknowledges and agrees that it has read and provided its electronic acceptance to these affiliate campaign terms. These campaign terms shall be incorporated into, and governed by, that certain affiliate agreement previously entered into by and between affiliate and All Good Enterprises Limited. D/B/A Biodynamics, the affiliate agreement, and together with these campaign terms, the agreement. To the extent that anything in or associated with these campaign terms is in conflict or inconsistent with the affiliate agreement, these campaign terms shall take precedence unless otherwise stated to the contrary in the affiliate agreement. Any capitalized terms not defined herein shall have the meaning set forth in the affiliate agreement. Affiliate agreement. This affiliate agreement, is entered into on the date that affiliate provides its electronic acceptance, as defined below, to the terms of this affiliate agreement, effective date, by and between Biodynamics, company, and the entity that provides its electronic acceptance, as defined below, to the terms of this affiliate agreement, affiliate. Company and affiliate may hereinafter be collectively referred to as the parties, and each individually as a party. This affiliate agreement incorporates herein by reference the affiliate campaign terms entered into by and between the parties, collectively, the campaign terms. And together with this affiliate agreement, the agreement. The agreement sets forth the parties' respective rights and obligations concerning affiliates' generation of a. Sales of certain products, collectively. Campaign products, offered by company and/or the third-party advertisers specified in the campaign terms, collectively, advertisers, b. certain consumer data records or leads, and/or, c. other designated consumer actions, collectively, actions, as further described herein and in the applicable campaign terms. To the extent that anything in or associated with this affiliate agreement is in conflict or inconsistent with any campaign terms, the campaign terms shall take precedence unless otherwise stated to the contrary herein. 1. Sub-affiliates. For purposes of the agreement, any reference to affiliate shall include any and all in-house and/or third-party marketing agents, partners, affiliates, and/or publishers providing services and/or actions by and through, or on behalf of, affiliate in connection with the action generation services contemplated hereunder, collectively, sub-affiliates. Affiliate agrees not to broker or resell any campaigns or creative, as defined below, to any other party, other than the previously approved sub-affiliates as permitted hereunder, without the express written permission of company in each instance. Affiliate may only utilize sub-affiliates where affiliate provides company with a list of intended sub-affiliates, as well as the required information set forth below, and company has provided its express prior written consent for affiliate to use each such sub-affiliate. Affiliate shall remain, at all times, fully liable for any and all acts and/or omissions of its sub-affiliates, and for ensuring that each such sub-affiliate complies with any and all obligations, restrictions and other terms applicable to affiliate hereunder. In addition, affiliate shall ensure that company is listed as an express third-party beneficiary in any agreement between affiliate and any sub-affiliates. 2. Actions. In connection with the action generation services to be provided hereunder, and depending on which methods are authorized in the applicable campaign terms, affiliate may a. send creative via email, affiliate email, to individuals in the proprietary database, s. of affiliate and/or its sub-affiliates, collectively, affiliate database, and/or, b. feature certain creative on websites owned and/or operated by affiliate and/or its sub-affiliates, collectively, affiliate websites. In addition, solely where expressly permitted in the campaign terms, affiliate may send creative via SMS text messages to individuals within the affiliate database, collectively, affiliate texts. And together with the affiliate email, affiliate database, and affiliate websites, the affiliate media. 3. Consent. Affiliate represents and warrants that each individual in the affiliate database who is contacted by affiliate in connection with a. email marketing services, has provided her/his I. affirmative consent, as defined in the CanSpam Act of 2003, as amended, CanSpam, to receive commercial email from affiliate. And 2. requisite consent, CASL consent, to receive commercial email messages, as defined under Canada's anti-spam legislation, CASL, from affiliate, where such individuals are residents of Canada, and b. solely where permitted in the applicable campaign terms, SMS text message marketing, has provided her/his prior express written consent, as defined in the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, 47 U.S.C. 227, and its implementing regulations adopted by the Federal Communications Commission, 47 CFR 64.1200. As amended from time to time, the TCPA, to receive SMS text messages delivered via automated means from affiliate, TCPA consent. Affiliate shall obtain evidence of TCPA consent by using either Hornia's lead ID or Active Prospects trusted form. Where affiliate uses Hornia, affiliate shall maintain the lead ID and compliance report for each TCPA consent obtained, Hornia consent records. Where affiliate uses trusted form, affiliate shall maintain the certificate ID and certificate of authenticity for each TCPA consent obtained, trusted form consent records, and together with the Hornia consent records, the TCPA consent records. Affiliate shall retain, I. Records of each such individual's affirmative consent and/or other CASL consent, collectively, the email consent records. And 2. TCPA consent records, together with the email consent records, the consent records, for a minimum of 5 years following collection of same. Affiliate must, within 2 business days of receipt of company's request, provide the a. applicable consent records to company, and b. name, date, time, IP address and referral URL where the applicable individual s. provided affirmative consent, CASL consent, and/or TCPA consent, as applicable. For marketing restrictions. A. Unless expressly authorized in the applicable campaign terms, affiliate may not engage in any services via telemarketing, SMS, smart messaging, EMS, MMS or any other type of text messaging service or protocol. Where affiliate is authorized in the campaign terms to use SMS, smart messaging, EMS, MMS or any other type of text messaging service or protocol, affiliate must fully comply with I. the TCPA. 2. The most recent version of the Mobile Marketing Association, MMA, U.S. Consumer Best Practices for Messaging. The most recent version of the Cellular Telecommunications Industry Association, CTIA, SMS Interoperability Guidelines and CTIA Short Code Monitoring Handbook, the rules, terms, conditions and policies of all participating mobile telephone carriers, as well as any and all other rules applicable to text message marketing, collectively, Mobile Marketing Guidelines. And, I2, any laws, rules, or regulations that impose any restrictions with respect to the time of day for text message marketing or number/frequency of text messages. B. Without limiting any of the marketing restrictions contained herein, unless expressly authorized in the applicable campaign terms or unless affiliate obtains company's prior written approval in